Untitled Channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
I promise non-stop hair growth. Tricks that every girl should know. Apply one for thick, shiny and long hair. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to grow your hair faster. We need those ingredients to make this recipe. Five teaspoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 1 capsule of vitamin E, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's the time to apply this recipe on your hair and massage your scalp gently. Then leave it on for 30 minutes. For best results, use this recipe daily for 7 days. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.